Looking to save money on Bluehost hosting? In this video, I'll walk you through how to unlock Bluehost's best possible discount using a special link. And I'll also give you a few helpful tips for choosing the right plan and getting your site up and running, even if this is your first time. Normally, when you visit the Bluehost website directly, you'll see their standard pricing, which is fine, but it's not the best deal available. There's actually a much better way to sign up. By using the exclusive partner link I've included in the video description below, you'll automatically activate the highest Bluehost discount available right now. No need to type in a coupon code or search for a limited time promo. It's built right into the link. All you have to do is scroll down, click the first link you see in the description, and Bluehost will apply the deal as soon as the site loads. Once you're on the site, you'll be asked to choose a hosting plan. If you're only planning to launch one website, maybe a blog, a personal brand, or a small business site, then the basic plan is perfect. It's the most affordable option and includes everything you need to get started. If you're launching an online store, the e-commerce essentials plan is a smarter choice. It includes WooCommerce, SEO tools, backups, marketing features, and more. And with the discount applied, the price difference is usually small. All Bluehost plans include a free domain for the first year, a free SSL certificate to help protect your website and visitors, and one-click WordPress installation, so you can launch your site quickly without dealing with any technical setup. Something Bluehost does really well, and it's one of the reasons they're great for beginners, is customer support. They offer 24/7 live chat and phone support, so if you run into any issues or have questions along the way, you can always get help from someone who knows what they're doing. That peace of mind can make a big difference, especially if this is your first time using web hosting. Another great thing is their 30-day money-back guarantee. That means you can sign up today, test it out, and if it's not the right fit for you, you can cancel within the first month and receive a full refund. No pressure, no risk. One quick tip before you check out. During the sign-up process, Bluehost may offer a few optional add-ons, like advanced security, SEO tools, or email services. These extras can be useful later on, but they're not required to get started. You can skip them for now and always add them later from your dashboard. And once your hosting is active, make sure to check out the video I've linked here. It's a full walkthrough of how to set up your Bluehost account and build your WordPress site from scratch. No technical skills needed. I'll guide you through each step so you can launch your website with confidence. Thanks for watching.